The Iyanola Council of and for the Advancement of Rastafari, ICAR, and Pan-African people, along with other herbalists and users, have long advocated for the decriminalization and full legalization of marijuana or cannabis in St. Lucia, mainly for herbal and medicinal purposes. The current administration, once they assumed office in 2021, promised to propose legislation for the 2020-2021 financial year, as there was potential that cannabis businesses will create employment, generate revenue, and boost the economy's GDP. The WHO and the Commission on Narcotic Drugs, CND, also at the time recommended that marijuana no longer be classified as a dangerous drug. ICAR President Aaron Alexander shared that while they have no issues with any group of persons fighting for their rights and utilizing the avenue of the court to seek their justice, they have taken serious umbrage that the court has rendered such a smooth verdict on the matter when they have been seeking their legal rights regarding the legalization of cannabis since 2021 and has yet to see its passing.
And our council, who filed a constitutional motion since 2021 concerning our use of cannabis as our sacrament, which we argued that this is a denial of our religious rights and therefore unconstitutional, the courts have not yet been able to render its verdict up to now. So it would seem that the court have their agenda and seeks to promote behaviors which is perhaps in their best interest, or they are pandering to heavy influences being placed on them by internal or external forces.
He stated that if the ruling can be challenged by the Attorney General, then the Crown should do so.
We would hate to know that our courts can legalize such behaviors and at the same time keep a God-given plant criminalized. We must remember in the animal kingdom to which man is supreme, males are never attracted to males because this is not the natural order of life. Any such attraction is a disorder, and as such, this disorder must be treated medically or psychologically as was being done up until the 1970s.
Throughout their tenure, the government, particularly the Commerce, Manufacturing, Business Development, Cooperatives and Consumer Affairs Ministry, ensured that they kept the public up to date on their progress with establishing this legislation. However, it was only in the years of 2024-2025 that they made significant progress. The ministry reached as far as forming a team known as the Regulated Substance Authority (RSA) to oversee the cannabis-related matters, and later announced a draft cannabis law designed to create a regulated framework for both marijuana and industrial hemp. The last update the public received was that the draft, which outlined provisions for the farming, processing, and sale of cannabis and industrial hemp products, was up for public review.
I have not lost hope in him. Let's not be too critical of him going on vacation at this time. It could be that he needs to clear his head to strategize a plan for the launching of a major investigation into this scandal, which we the public will not allow to be swept under the carpet. Remember, we are still awaiting the results as to what happened to K9 Officer Tyson. The commissioner should bring in investigators from our region to assist. We have such expertise available through the RSS because we will not accept these current police officers to investigate their own. It is a sad state of affairs. The Prime Minister has expressed his serious concerns, as he should, along with every citizen. We the public must not keep silent on this.
The announcement was made by Commerce Minister Honorable Emma Hippolyte in February of 2025. Kayla Edwin, MBC Prime.